Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to enable Google Photo Backup on iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, you'll need to go to the Google Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. Then in the top right corner, you need to click on your account. Make sure you go to Gmail. You'll see your profile. You scroll down. Click on Google Photo Settings, and then you'll see the different settings. You click on the Backup tab, and you need to activate this slider here. Once you've done that, you can enable and activate Google Photo Backup. Now all of your photos will be copied right here to this app. But if you help them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, like it. Also write in the comments whether you succeeded in my way of doing it or not. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.